Hello, my name is Freddy Lupin. Welcome to my show. Today we will be interviewing Truckus and Slapada, Truckus' favorite PVZ land. Now go.
Have you heard the sound of soulless husks begging for mercy? Have you felt the warmth of their bodies piling up on the ground, burning to ashes only for more animalistic corpses to push forward, just in the hope they may eat to see another day? Well, those sounds, those scents and sensations, my friend, they make me feel powerful. And power is the source of happiness, one would say. And to feel power, you'll need Gatling peas, torchwoods too if you got them. And you'll hear untold violence that you wouldn't hear elsewhere.
Anyways, Slap, why are you in love with Squib?
How come Truckus gets to talk about video games and I have to talk about my love life? But ghosts have a knack for seeing deeper inside things, beyond my exoskeleton exterior. There's a joke that could be made here, but let's keep it PG for the kids, shall we? But I love jokes! One could say you like too many jokes, Truckus.
Truckus, can you skateboard?
One time, I gashed my knees while skateboarding, so I used an old flamethrower I found underground at the nuclear winter site to melt it right back into shape. Though, now that you mention it, I feel a little shorter than I used to.
Hey, Slapada, can you slap sodas?
I won't be the first to admit that it's funny as hell to see carbonated beverages spill out of someone's nostrils. But have you ever felt that actually happened to you? It feels like the devil stabbing you with a bunch of pitchforks in your sinuses. So, it's not the kind of prank I want to actually go through with.